Hi, I'm Jonah from Vizetto, and today I'm going to be showing you how to elevate your presentation by customizing your background and your personal brand on Reactiv SUITE. Okay, let's open up Reactiv Pitch. Now, Reactiv SUITE comes with some pre-installed non-distracting backgrounds, which are good, but it is a really good practice to start importing your own backgrounds and logos, as these personal touches will make your audience pay more attention and you'll have a more engaging presentation. So let's open up our background editor, select this button here, and import our own custom background. We can even import our own logo. We can resize our logo and move it around and increase the brightness and the focus of our background as well. Okay, so now that we have our custom background uploaded, we can select our background, our screen layout, and then also our content, and go ahead and configure our camera. So we're going to select our integrated camera, select our resolution, and now I can input my business cards. So I'm going to change my name, my title, and then input my logo as well. Okay, so let's begin our presentation. Awesome, and now you can see my business card with my logo, my name, my title. And if I want to see my custom background, all I have to do is change my screen layout. And there you go, now you can see my awesome custom background. So now you know how to use your own custom background and personal brand in Reactiv SUITE.